Hi, I'm Rich Sammons. I'm the manager for the Irving Tool Service Center. We have two main operations here. We have our on-demand tools and we have our tool service center, where we've leveraged years of experience and developed a best practice on how a tool service center should be and provide the service levels we're after. Fast turnaround time with high quality so that it doesn't come back in.
The number one thing that means the most to me and my team is the pride behind our repairs. It's a shop full of diverse, dynamic personalities. We have quality repairs and we do them efficiently.
These are standards that we've used around the world. We continue to improve and refine them, but they give us the right environment to have great results. On-demand really is another innovative solution to our customers. We have our on-demand DX860 and soon to be DX9 decking tools. Very expensive investments for the customer that they don't necessarily want to tie that capital up for something they only use for a couple of weeks.
Our on-demand tools are received from the truck. They're placed onto the receiving desk. All the information is captured by our coordinator. The tools are then wheeled into the specific tool group. The technician will take that tool and perform a visual and then a function test on the tool. They'll then determine through analysis what may or may not need to be done with the tool. And when it's repaired, we put it back on the shelf, ready for the next customer to take it out.
What's really important is for us to know what happened when the tool broke. What was the application you were using on? What did you intend for it to do? And what did it not do? That will be the key the technician needs to be sure he finds the fault they saw and get it repaired and back to them. When customers come, they can see the level of detail that we go to ensure that we have the best environment, the best process, and the best technique in what we're doing when we're repairing each and every tool that we have here. And we have a team that is really excited about providing a top-level quality of service and has an aptitude for the work we do.